magbabakasyon na naman ang mga madam. Charot. Ayan. Kasama si Ate Lesa. Punta kami ng St. Augustine. Dito lang dito sa Florida. Mga girls trip. Nakamalita ko. For the weekend. Outfit. Ayan. Ang ganda ng sapatos. Sobrang komportable. Tapos napakagaan. Ang sarap sa paa. Hindi masakit kasi ano siya. Malambot. Tapos may sole siya na yan po siyang bagay siya sa lahat. Pwede sa dress. Nakita ko to sa maraming mga artista sa Pilipinas. Si Karil. Nakita ko nito si Karen Davila. Basta ang dami yung mga masikat na vlogger, mga TikToker. Nakita ko yan. So yan lang sinuto kasi magbibiyahe lang naman kami. Saka na tayo rarampa-rampa. Kayo. First time ko din pupunta ng St. Augustine. Never pa ako nakapunta doon.
Naulan pa man.
Naulan na naman. Yun yung problema dito sa Florida. Kapag summer, everyday umuulan. Pero madali lang naman. Mga 1 hour lang. Tapos na naman. Tapos, high tide. Parang aapaw na yung tubig doon sa golf course. Buong bakasyon.
Ayun,
Ay, mga baon.
We
have here.
Okay na.
Who wants drink? Hindi pa nga nakakaalis.
No, it's okay. I'm okay. I have water. Okay, thank you, Ma.
Oh, you're welcome.
We're not even living yet.
We can just have a picnic right here. I'm not going to work.
We're eating.
Okay.
Okay, everybody's in.
Everybody's
Here is the drink.
Oh,
You're not gonna need them, are you?
No.
hi, Ken. Bye.
There's Mommy Bird. Mommy Bird.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Ken. Ito na kami sa aming mini vacation. Finally. Hindi, ganun lang to, slide papunta dito. Hindi ko din alam. Ito ata pwede din. Yeah, there. Yeah. Dito na kami sa aming hotel.
Anything there is 40%
Pilate?
40%
Off?
discount. Yeah. That's employee man.
Okay. Ang mga piling bakasyonista, Tourist. Ay, ito na sila, Andito na sila. Puente Birdie. Si Madam, pa-picture daw siya. Picture or video?
Picture.
Video man to. Wait.
Picture na.
Let it go. Push first.
Hoy,
Pati ba nga sarado na?
Okay.
Tep ha, tep. Ako ang taga.
Okay, Madam.
Ikaw
Tep ha, tep, tep.
Ikaw taga-collect.
Diyos ko naman. Ako palang taga-baba ng luggage.
Usbate balik sa dito, Tita Burns. Atong usbon nga. Atong usbon nga, nag-alsa balutan si Pinay Blondie.
Naglayas.
Naglayas. Demerlin?
Yes. Naglayas. Mga taga-Jupiter, naglayas.
Unsa pa man?
Ready na jud ang heels ni Ate Marlene sa disco,
Hoy!
Dalhin muna natin yung
Kay Mar.
Kanya-kanya. Akin ay sarap. Hangin dito, malamig. Malamig dito. Magkatabi lang yung nasa kwarto. Hoy, hindi. Dalawa ata sila dun. Oh, Mer, this is your room here.
Oh, okay.
That's yours.
Okay. Who else is in here?
Oh, kayo, three of you there.
Yeah. We'll see.
Okay.
Pasok mo na yan.
We're gonna... Ooh, malamig. Oh, room tour. Ayan ang aming CR. Oh, nagkanya-kanya ng pwesto. Nagkanya-kanya na sila ng pwesto. Ayan, daming tatlo. Wow, look at the view. Look at the view. Wow.
It's very windy.
Yeah. Very windy. We can walk in the beach tomorrow.
Early in the morning.
Yung iba nasa kabilang kwarto. Ganito din kwarto nila sa kabila, te?
Mas maliit doon. Maliit.
Okay.
Parang dalawa lang. Walang sukapit na
I
ganito.
see.
This is my place here.
Inangkin na ni Manang, oh.
Siyempre, ayaw ko matulog sa kama. Dito lang ako sa tabi-tabi.
Dito naman sila Mami Berta. Ayun, no? Hi, neighbor! White sand pala dito.
Oo, white sand.
Yun, no?
Naka-sweater na kaagad si Lisa.
Naku, hindi ako nakapagdala. Ayun na sila.
Buksan na. So magkatabi lang tayo. We're next to each other.
Course view. Si Pinay Blandi. Magsaba ka diri.
Naunsa naman eh.
Da, si Bern. Ay, marami ng yung pantalon mo. Marami ng grass. Dami ng damo.
Roll it like this. And roll it like this. Open it. Then when you have leftovers, you can take it home with you. Oh, that's how it works.
Kasi na yung kanin natin.
Para din palang madam. Dito pala yung blue. Mahina ko kasi na. Lakas ng hangin dito. Nagliliparan yung mga buhok na. Ang ganda ng mga outfit namin. Pero sobrang lamig na mahangin. Si Mami Bird, kailangan yun hawakan. Baka matumba. Ayun. Lakas ng hangin. Pupunta kami sa breakfast. Breakfast kami.
Nawakan ko yung buhok ko kasi lumilipad.
Kaya nga, pupunta sa lipstick.
Ako rin lumilipad.
Ayong maabutan.
Itatrat tayo. Itatrat.
Wala nang maabutan na breakfast.
Hindi na masyado.
Buwang talaga to si Ate Marlene. Good morning. Magandang umaga.
The other ants are still on their way in the roost. Alam ni Melina.
Morning.
Alam ni Melina, we are coming. Sabi niya, where are those? Where are those? Where are those? Wait, sabi nila, they're from Jupiter. Sabi mo,
You're coming from where? Jupiter?
Jupiter, sabi nila, ang lamig dito sa Jacksonville.
Oo nga.
Mahangin.
Mahangin sa labas. So,
Yung namin.
There it is, Abby.
Hi, me.
Sa room 1.
Ito also. She never stopped dancing.
Oy, last night, dancing with you.
Have a seat.
Yeah.
Would you like me to bring a menu?
Need to go early. Otherwise you can get the table.
Probably go and check.
Bagel. Ano yan, Ti? Oatmeal. I want fruit. Magpo-fruits lang ako. Ayun si Ate Liz. Ano yan, Te? Pancake. Kuha tayo ng isang pancake. Gusto nyo mag-umilit? Wala, real honey.
I-serve it on the table.
Ayun o. Ano yung nasa bowl, te?
Ano yan? Salad.
Gusto ko sana mag-umilit.
Yan, nagpa-umilit ka. Si Tita Berta nagpa-umilit. Paano? Masarap siya.
Oo, sarap yan. Alligator farm kami dito sa Jacksonville. Wow, ang laki ng mga alligator dito.
Tago nila. Oh, ang lalaki. This is
Look at the alligator. Ang lalaki. Alo, grabe yung mga teeth. Ang sharp.
Nandito, nagtatago.
Dito na pala ang hinahanap ng mga buaya sa Pilipinas. Nandito lahat, oh, ang lalaki ng tiyan. Punong-puno ng mga pera. Laki, oh. Wow. Ang taba niya, oh. Look at the alligator farm. Ang dami nila. Ang lalaki ng mga ngipin nun, oh. Ang sharp niyan. Look at the alligators. Naglalangoy-langoy. Ang lalaki nila. Dami, oh. Lalaki. Look at this one. It's looking at me. It's like, can I eat you? Wala. Nakatingin siya sa akin, oh. Parang gusto niya akong sakmalin. Kami ng trolley. Mag-downtown tour.
All the way around is an hour and 40 minutes, and then we've got our 22 stops where you can hop on, hop off. Our trolleys run about 15 to 20 minutes apart of those stops. But just for
Downtown
FYI for
tour.
this afternoon, our last trolley sell things. Like they weren't even supposed to handle money. So she used her younger brother's name and put up 127 homes in this area. And today it's known as Uptown San Marco. Now those 127 homes, all but 5 are still standing today. This here, if you take a look to your right, you're going to see the Great Cross. It stands 208 feet high. This spot here is where the Company of St. Augustine began, founded by Pedro Menendez. Started in 1565.
Oh, yeah,
This will be
look
the
at
streets
that.
to find it.
Look at the tree.
This canopy made up
Very
of these
nice.
branches and leaves of the live oak tree.
Beautiful.
And now, it's not
Spanish moss.
It's not moss. It's actually an airplant derived from the pineapple family.
Good to know.
So in the early days, they used it to make mattresses and to make pillows. They would stuff the Spanish moss into fabric or material.
Look at that wall.
So when Henry Ford was first making the first automobiles, he was using it to make the seat cushions. Well, they forgot to tell him he has to boil it first. There's a little red bug called the chigger that lives inside.
Ganda ng mga trees
So whoever got those
tingnan.
first automobiles, they got a little extra surprise in their seat. You'll find a planetarium.
America.
There are demonstrations for blacksmithing and
Fountain.
shooting of artillery. There is still an active archaeological site. You'll find a little bit of how they had the
The
village would have
history
looked,
of
and then of course the
St.
fountain of youth.
Augustine.
You can grab a cup and take a sip. Let me know how it goes for you. I've been coming here about 125 years. Now, if you'll be exiting here at stop 22, please remain seated until I come to a complete stop and you've heard the ring of the bell. Once you hear the ring of the bell, you'll be able to exit safely to your left. Making sure to turn, go down backwards, opposite way you climbed up. Just like
Oh. Mayroon din ditong Max Restaurant. Cuisine of the Philippines. Mag-selfie daw.